Hey guys, this is AMRS and welcome to my video. We will be upgrading this Samsung Galaxy. Open settings, click on about phone, then tap on build number multiple times till it shows you are now a developer. Now click on developer options and turn on OEM unlock and USB debugging. Now you have to download a few files for this upgrade. Click on the ROM file and then patch 1 and the patch 2. Now click on TWRP and then scroll down and download the flashable zip. Now for Google Apps, click on ARM, then Android 6.0 and version Pico and download the file. You will have to download Odin to flash TWRP. Now boot into download mode by pressing the volume down, home button and lock button at the same time. Now press volume up to continue. Now connect your phone to the PC. On the PC, extract the Odin file, then open the extracted file and launch the application. You will actually see the device in ID COM. Now search for TWRP and attach the TWRP file. Now press start. Now boot into TWRP recovery by pressing the volume up, home button and lock button simultaneously. You will have to copy the ROM file and Google Apps file to the internal storage of the device. Also copy the 2 patch files which we downloaded earlier to the internal storage. You will also have to wipe the data, cache and Dalvik cache. Now go back and then click on install and select the Lineage OS, add more zip, then attach the Google files and swipe to flash them. Now reboot the system. The initial reboot will actually take a little longer. Now install the patch files, patch 1, add more zip and patch 2 and swipe to flash them. Now reboot the system again. That's all guys, we have successfully upgraded this Samsung Galaxy Wing. I'll be daily driving this phone for a week, so stay tuned for the full review. Thanks for watching till the end. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe and like this video. Thank you.